Hello, this is Richard Earhart. I'm the Senior Application Engineer for Centroid Performance Racing. This is our A560XL quart block machine. Today at the PRI show we are cutting these Steve Morris engines SMX billet cylinder heads. We are doing the finishing of the chamber area and also the intake and exhaust ports. The finish is excellent on our machine. We are using the Hangstefers 5080 coolant. With this machine today, you can see that it is appropriate for the aluminum cutting that we are doing. This is our standard 27 horsepower spindle with the 24 tool automatic tool changer. It has our chip conveyor system to pull chips forward, and it allows discharge of the machining swarf. It has internal washdown plus a external hose. A lot of our customers compliment us on the fact that it is on a hose reel, and there's enough hose to reach in both sides. This is the console, the brains for our A560XL Centroid product, all done in-house. When you buy the Centroid turnkey package, you will get tooling that will help you get started right away. But the top shelf is a standard package for porting. On the second and bottom shelves are the standard tooling packages for your block work. Our A560XL that has the through the tool coolant upgrade, this is the actual pump. This is a chip blaster 1000 PSI through the tool coolant pump. So this is a cylinder head produced by one of our partners, Edelbrock. They have our machine set up in Pat Busey's race shop. This is the Big Vic 12 cylinder head. This is a billet engine block for the S54 from DAC Motorsports. This is the finished product of the billet intake manifold being machined on our A560XL here to show.